Alright, here's my next boiler. If anybody wants one of these, give me a call. My number is 206-948-0770. My name is Ross. So give me a call. The boiler itself on this is 20-inch diameter, steel pipe, 3/8 wall, 32 inches tall. It's all got 22.5-inch copper tubes rolled in. The firebox itself is 22 square. A lot of room for nice large pieces of wood, cordwood. Really nice whistle on it. This valve is on this whistle is good now that it's heated up. Turn down your volume and I'll give her a shot here. Beautiful whistle. Wow, what sound. This gauge is nickel plated, 6-inch gauge. Beautiful. Really nice siphon on it. And this is your blower valve right there. Tricox, water sight glass. This is set at 110. I'll bring it up to that and test this a number of times today. I'll remove this valve if it is working properly. Otherwise, I'll put another pop-off valve on there and retest it. But I'm sure it'll do fine. It's a brand new valve. But I will remove that blue handled valve when I know that pop-off valve is working properly. Really nice pump. This is a solid brass pump casting. I've never seen one before. Just works great. Right out of the box, works perfect. This is your blowdown valve here, or airlock valve. So when you're first putting water in it, you want to get all the air out of the pump, just open that up. And everything from there goes right into the boiler. This is your fill and drain right here. You can blow down the boiler once in a while. Really nice. The blower works like this. You just got a ring inside of it. It's got holes in it going up the stack. Works perfect. Whenever I put new wood in, I always run that for a few minutes. Engine out is right here. You can hard pipe an engine into it, or you get some, I guess, steam hose. Quick disconnects on it. Ash pan is down below, right here. It's hot right now, so it's good ash pan. This handle does not get hot. Stays nice and cold. Amazing. So give me a call, 206-948-0770. My name is Ross. Thanks for watching.